Affirm Holdings, ticker symbol AFRM, broke its year-to-date high. You can see that this prior resistance was broken yesterday, and we are trading above that as of today, September 12. And so in this video, we will review the unusual options activity today to determine whether the technicals are accurate in predicting this stock going up with this momentum. So without further ado, let's get right to it. This is the options time and sales tape. We can see that today there was 3,500 unusual options here for the October 20 strike puts, and we have these 2,000 unusual options. These were done at the same time, so this is the same trader at 11:51:55 second mark. Okay, so we're going to take a look at these two sets of unusual options that was more significant today. Let's go with the 20 strike puts, October 20s first. We can see here that the 20 strikes, there was an open interest of 23,000. So this is greater than the volume today. So these could be closing trades. So it's not very conclusive with this type of data at this time. Now, when we take a look at the second set here, this is November 17, October 20s, the 17.5 puts, and the 32.5 strikes. So the 17.5 puts here, the 2,000, also less than the open interest. So this could be closing trades as well. Now, the most significant then is the November 17, because these, you can see at the 32.5 strike calls, are definitely opening trades. Total of 4,638 contracts, much greater than the 154 that were open prior. So we know these are opening trades. All right, so based on this, opening this call option here, you can see that they had bought this 32.5 strike call, which is a bullish long position. You can see that over here, they were buying this at the ask price here. Okay, and when we take a look at the Greeks of these call options, you can see that this is a 23 positive delta. It does have a negative 1.93 theta decay. Okay, so that is a risk to this call option that will decay its value as time goes on. We did not trade it exactly like this. We didn't buy those call options. What we did was we took advantage of the price being bought up very high. So what we did instead was we sold it so we can collect a better premium. And we then bought the 30 strike calls. Right, here we are. And what that does is it creates a vertical call spread, and it only costs $43 per trade. You can now see this is our trade here. It's half the cost of these unusual options. And also, when you take a look at our Greeks, our theta decay is nearly zero, negative 0.1331. So you can also see that we're risking $43 per trade to make a maximum of $207 per trade, right? So this can go a lot higher. So that's close to a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 5 here, right? You can see that blue profit line amount here to see what it is at expiration, right? If it starts to increase immediately, it'll also start to be profitable as it follows the purple line here. Okay, as we increase the dates, it starts to mimic the blue line, eventually becoming the blue line. And so that's how this graph works, right? So there we are on the, once these options are expiring, they become this graph here, right? You can see clearly the risk of 43, max profit 207. So a 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio here. So we like these kind of strategies, and we most definitely like to base it on the unusual options activity. And if you're interested in this type of data, we share with our members in exclusive videos. Make sure to join our membership where they get access to these videos on what stocks have unusual options activity that are valued greater than $1 million. Because, for example, this stock on Affirm, the value of these trades do not exceed $1 million. For example, here at the 32 strikes, $96 each, 4,600 contracts. This is about $441,000. So this, if it was one trader, this is how much they put in. But imagine a trader that has millions and millions of options betting on. Well, that trader that has that much wealth has definitely done their research, or has definitely a lot more information that we don't have. And we want to follow those traders. And that's how our members can beat the market. And if you want to beat the market, consider joining our membership by clicking the join button on our channel homepage. Take care, everybody, and good luck.